BurryBeds, sing and play.
Red, blue, green, come sing with me. Count the colors, 1, 2, 3. Apples, birds, and trees so tall. Colors are fun for one and all. 1 red apple, shiny and sweet. 2 red roses, smell so neat. Red is bright, it makes us cheer. Clap your hands when red is here. 1 blue whale, swimming slow. 2 blue kites, watch them go. 3 blue clouds in the sky. Wave your hands and say hi. 1 green frog, jumping high. 2 green leaves, waving by. 3 green trees, give us shade. Colors of nature never fade. Stomp, 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 red like fire. Spin, 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 blue goes higher. Jump, 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 green and bright. Colors make the world so right. Red, blue, green, come sing with me. Count the colors, 1, 2, 3. Learning colors is so much fun. Sing together, everyone.
Thanks for watching BurryBeds. Bye-bye!